Fleece is a great way to stay warm and cozy, but wholly polyethylene terephthalate, there are a lot of options. Here's what you need to know before you buy your next fleece. Fleece is a synthetic fiber from a type of polyester called, yep, you guessed it, polyethylene terephthalate. It's hydrophobic, which means it repels water. It also retains warmth when wet, dries quickly, and is both light and durable. The fabric weight of fleece is measured in grams per square meter, or GSM, and tells you how thick it is. Light or micro fleece is around 100 to 200 GSM. Midweight is 200 to 300, and heavyweight is anything over 300 GSM. As well as weight, fleece can have a high loft, which means it has a cozy, fur-like texture, or it can be a tight weave, which has a texture closer to cotton. For moderate or high energy activity, it's best to look at light and midweight options. For example, climbers and backcountry hikers often want to keep the weight as low as possible and maximize breathability. This makes tight woven technical fleece a great option. It's not as warm as high loft, but allows freedom of movement, is highly packable, and works as a mid-layer under a waterproof or windproof shell. For colder conditions, look at mid-weight technical options and consider a 4-piece layering system that adds a down jacket into the mix. This makes for a flexible system you can adapt to changing conditions and physical output. For example, when backcountry skiing, you often layer up or down. Features to consider on technical styles include a fitted hood, elasticated wrist and waistbands to trap heat, minimal pockets or panels made from a thicker fleece for targeted insulation, or technical fabrics with wind protection. For car camping or other casual uses, look at high loft midweight and heavyweight styles. High loft fleece keeps you warm because it has air pockets that trap heat. It's perfect for hanging out at camp or walking around town in the winter. Many thicker fleece options also offer pockets, hoods, and 3/4 or full zippers for ventilation. High loft is available in technical or casual relaxed styles for everyday use. There are even reversible options, which offer a tight weave on one side and high loft on the other. A few final points on fleece. It doesn't offer wind protection and shouldn't be washed or dried at high temperatures. But if you look after it, fleece can keep you warm for many years, which is great for the environment and your pocket. We have tons of fleece options online at MEC.ca, or come into your local MEC and speak to one of our staffers about staying warm and cozy.